Choosing the right TIG welding machine is crucial for achieving precision and quality in your welds. With a variety of models available, selecting the best one can be challenging. In this video, we'll highlight the top 5 TIG welding machines that stand out for their performance, reliability, and features. Whether you're a professional or a hobbyist, these top picks will help you make an informed decision and enhance your welding projects. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started. Number 5. PLASMARGON 520 TSCPF welding machine. This multi-process marvel combines a plasma cutter, HF TIG welder, pulse TIG welder, and stick MMA arc welder into one compact powerhouse. Whether you're tackling a weekend project or a detailed repair, this machine has got you covered. Say goodbye to complicated setups. The 520 TSCPF's upgraded digital panel makes it easier than ever to switch between functions with just the push of a button. Seamless transitions mean you spend less time fiddling and more time welding. Let's start with the plasma cutter. Boasting a 1050 amp DC inverter current output, this tool delivers powerful and precise cuts with an HF arcing feature. It's ideal for cutting through stainless steel, alloy steel, mild steel, copper, and aluminum up to a 1-2-inch thickness. Plus, it's portable and easy to handle, thanks to its built-in handle and use of non-hazardous compressed air. Next up, the HF TIG welder with pulse. With a current output range of 10-200 amps, this feature-rich TIG welder is perfect for high-quality welding on stainless and steel. The newly added pulse function enhances your welds, making them not only more beautiful but also extending the life of your tungsten. And with foot pedal ease, precision welding of thinner gauge materials has never been simpler. Let's not forget the stick MMA arc welding function. With an output current of 10-180 amps, it's designed for smooth, deep welding with minimal spatter. Features like hot arc starting, anti-stick, and a clean weld surface make it versatile for different rod sizes ranging from 1.6 mm to 4.0 mm. The PLASMARGON 520 TSCPF is suitable for welding stainless steel, alloy steel, carbon steel, and non-ferrous metals. While it's not designed for aluminum, it's perfect for welding enthusiasts and hobbyists with general repair and light welding needs. Pros: versatility, powerful cutting, compact design, stable arc. Cons: limited cutting thickness, potential for overheating, no aluminum welding. Number 4. ARCCAPTAIN TIG 200 welding machine. Meet the ARCCAPTAIN TIG 200, a powerhouse in the world of welding machines. This TIG welder isn't just another tool. It's engineered for precision and performance with features that will blow your mind. Here's what sets it apart. First up, high-frequency arc starting. This innovative feature allows for non-contact arc initiation, making it easier to start your welds with minimal tungsten and material waste. The result? A cleaner, more efficient welding process and stunningly precise results every time. The TIG 200 isn't just versatile, it's a 2-in-1 marvel. With both TIG and stick MMA capabilities, it delivers up to 200 amps of power. Whether you're working with stainless steel, mild steel, or tackling thicker materials outdoors, this machine has got you covered. Plus, it's perfect for beginners thanks to its ease of use. Customization is key with the TIG 200. With adjustable post-gas settings from 1 to 10 seconds, you can protect your weld and cooling system after switching off the torch. And the down-slope feature, adjustable from 0 to 10 seconds, ensures smooth transitions and safeguards your equipment. Plus, the 2T4T switch gives you the flexibility to choose between short-term and long-term welding. Let's talk about comfort and safety. The ARCCAPTAIN features an intelligent cooling fan system that only activates when necessary, keeping noise levels low and ensuring optimal performance. Safety is a top priority with VRD protection and safeguards against overcurrent, overvoltage, overload, and overheating. You can focus on your work with peace of mind. And for those who need portability, the TIG 200 doesn't disappoint. Weighing in at less than 12 pounds, it's lightweight and easy to carry, whether by the handle or shoulder strap. Perfect for on-the-go projects or moving between workstations. Pros: user-friendly, precise control, clear display, portable, versatile. Cons, limited amperage, lack of AC output, potential noise. Number 3, HZXVOGEN HBT250P welding machine. Let's start with the basics. This is a top-tier industrial-grade welding machine, designed for both precision and versatility. This machine supports multiple welding methods, including arc, AC TIG, DC TIG, and pulse TIG. What does that mean for you? It means you can tackle a wide range of materials, from steel and stainless steel to aluminum and copper, with ease. One of the standout features of this welder is its AC, DC TIG capability. This allows for precise welding of various metals. It's perfect for ultra-thin 0.3mm aluminum plates, making it a great choice for intricate projects. But don't let that fool you. It's also robust enough for thicker materials and outdoor work. Precision is key in welding. It delivers just that with its advanced digital settings. You can customize your weld with pre-gas time, start current, peak current, AC frequency, and more. This level of control ensures that every weld is accurate and reliable, whether you're working with 1,4 aluminum or 3,8 mild steel. Let's talk convenience. It features a 2T, 4T TIG torch control, making it easy to switch between different welding tasks. The machine handles a current range of 10-200 amperes, which means it's versatile enough to weld various thicknesses. Plus, with the included gas shield, you'll get pristine welds every time. Worried about overheating? The HZXVOGEN has you covered. Its unique fan movement cooling system ensures that the machine stays cool, even during extended welding sessions. This cooling system not only extends the welding time, but also contributes to stable and stunning weld performance. Safety is paramount, and this welder doesn't skimp on it. Equipped with VRD, overcurrent, overvoltage, overload, and overheat protection, the HBT250P keeps you and your equipment safe, so you can focus on your work without worrying about potential hazards. Pros: versatility, arc initiation, user-friendly, safety and cooling, precision. Cons: weight and portability, potential learning curve. Number 2, AIXZ Global AIT 200P welding machine. It comes with everything you need to get started: the welder itself, a comprehensive user manual, and all necessary cables. The build quality is immediately impressive, sturdy and well-crafted. This welding machine is not just versatile, it's incredibly powerful. With a 200-amp working current and support for 5 welding functions, MMA, AC TIG, DC TIG, AC pulse TIG, and DC pulse TIG, this machine can handle virtually any metal, from steel and stainless steel to aluminum and copper. Let's talk features. The X Global leverages the latest inverter technology, offering a stronger, more concentrated, and stable arc. This means better welding performance and efficiency. One of the standout features is the large LED digital display. It provides real-time feedback on current settings and allows for precise adjustments. Plus, the dust cover protects the screen from the harsh welding environment. With dual voltage support, 110V and 220V, this machine is adaptable to various power sources. And don't forget the 2T, 4T modes, 2T for semi-automatic welding and 4T for enhanced performance. This flexibility is perfect for tackling different welding tasks. It is not only functional, but also user-friendly. Its advanced technology ensures easy arc initiation, minimal spatter, and a stable, smooth arc. The machine's settings like arc initiation current, gas delay time, and pulse frequency are all adjustable, giving you control over every aspect of your weld. From stainless steel to copper, this machine handles it all with ease. Its quick response time to short circuits and its ability to adjust arc characteristics mean that you get precise, high-quality welds every time. In summary, the AIXZ Global AIT 200P 5-in-1 welding machine offers incredible versatility, power, and ease of use. Whether you're working on a complex project or a simple DIY task, this machine has got you covered. Its advanced features and robust design make it a must-have for any welder. Pros: power and performance, precise control, advanced technology, versatility, good arc characteristics. Cons: complexity, heat generation. Number 1, Hitbox HBT250P welding machine. This cutting-edge 4-in-1 welding machine is designed to handle all your welding needs with unmatched precision and performance. Advanced inverter technology. Experience a stronger, more concentrated, and stable arc with our state-of-the-art inverter technology. The Hitbox ensures superior performance in every weld. The HBT250P is a multifunctional welding machine that supports arc, AC TIG, DC TIG, and pulse TIG. It's perfect for welding a wide range of metals, including steel, stainless steel, aluminum, and copper. Equipped with features like hot start, easy arc starting, stable current, low spatter, and no sticking, the Hitbox delivers excellent shaping and compatibility with various acid or alkaline electrodes. With a 10-200 amp AC DC TIG current output, it excels in high-quality TIG welding for both aluminum and precision welding of thin materials. The 2T, 4T control and foot switch functionality provide greater flexibility and improved welding performance. The AC DC TIG welder includes features to prevent material burning, minimize distortion from excessive heat, and effectively manage heat input with its triangular wave. The Hitbox features digital pulse control with a frequency range of 0.5200 Hz and AC control pulse frequency of 0.5200 Hz. Its AC duty cycle ranges from 10–90%, making it ideal for welding ultra-thin 0.3 mm aluminum plates. Customized settings for pre-gas time, start current, uphill time, peak current, AC frequency, pulse frequency, AC duty cycle, downhill time, and after gas time for precise welding. Designed for high current welding, it features a dual heatsink system with an internal fan and heat sinks on the sides and front to ensure optimal stability and performance by efficiently dissipating heat. The machine's intuitive interface allows for easy and efficient settings adjustments. Real-time data and dynamic output current are clearly displayed for precise control. Pros: versatility, precise control, durability, user-friendly, advanced technology. Cons: potential reliability concerns, limited warranty. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech reviews and updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.